Hello everybody, I'm again with another one of my awesome videos, and today I'll be showing you some cool stuff. Oh my god, look at this stuff. Now this a friend brought over. You got a nice 3D TV by Samsung. Jimmy Chung. That's the problem. They say it fell, but it looked like it came out in the 1800s with a cannonball. You got a DVD player that stores 100 DVDs. You got another DVD player, DVD player, DVD player, DVD player. So, a lot of DVD players. Commander X. Look at this. So you think with these very large, nice speakers that there'd be some nice, cool stuff in it. Nine. You got nice 1 inch by 3 inch speakers. What? Bruh. Did you see what I just did? So now we have 1, 2 strong magnets. Oh shoot. Some nice gold plated pins. One motor. I killed him. Okay, from those DVD players and yeah, neodymium. Cool. $100 disc automatic disc loading system jog dial for Group 5 Sony. Look at this thing. This thing holds 100 discs, man. Look at this, man. Open this right here, right there, and that right there. It says new, but it's like 20 years old. Look at this, man. Wow. Look, man. 26, 25, 24. There is a mosquito on my iPad. 100. Look at that. 100 discs, man. That is crazy. That's crazy, man. Let's get to it. This is how this thing worked. The CDs would turn around in there. And if you see into there, it's just a nice tunnel. Right here, that little sliver is the DVD player. So 90% of the space is taken up by just this big circle. If you look in there, right here, you'd have that and that part behind it, that shiny silver part. And what happened is this little lever right here, for one thing, would push them up, the disc would go bloop, and then these two would go bloop, clamp down on the disc, start spinning, and it'd read it. And this board, all it does, it just reads it, amplifies it, converts it, and it helps you choose what disc you want. Here's a DVD player that sucks in the disc. It works. Here's the 2 wires, here's the motor. We've got it ready. Look at this, we've got the whole platter spinning. Or well, cats don't work yet. I'll get it to work though. Yeah, just about it. Now I've been recording for just about an hour on my wonderful assistant right here with a 300-year-old cat. Muros. Bro.
Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, it helps, and as always, you will see me in the next video. Bye bye.